morning, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're talking about my favorite open house. Hey there, Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today we're talking about my favorite open house, and that is whether it's called a food truck open house, for lack of a better term. Okay, now having friends, family, neighbors, acquaintances, whatever it might be, through your 6 degrees of separation, almost all of us know somebody who either owns a restaurant, a food truck, or a food vendor, a caterer of some sort. Okay, now especially as of late, food trucks and anybody that might have like a smoker's trailer, stuff like that, those are the key. When you have your open house, to have somebody be there, provide food, allows just a level of advertising and a level of awesomeness that so many others don't have. So many people have snacks, bottles of water, there's other fun stuff. But a professional food truck catering, providing food, and if you're able to provide the food for everybody, all the more. But make sure it gets hyped up on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, if you're on TikTok, I mean, everywhere. Make sure everybody knows about it, and then have that vendor hype it out too. These are such wonderful events. You get people that stay there for a while. You get to share in the community. It's two businesses teaming up together. You're actually providing value on numerous levels. And historically speaking, when you average 4 or 5 people through an open, oftentimes these will bring 20 to 100. Okay, I can't guarantee success for everybody. It depends on the type of food, depends on the food truck, depends on who you have and how well you do it up and how well you refine your systems. But please share your results below, share who you partner with, share where you're at, what type of food it was, especially if you're in the Phoenix area. I'm a foodie. If you're gonna have one, please tag me. I would love to come by, check it out. That's it. Have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow.